Towering over the earth at 29,032 feet, Mount Everest is more than just world's tallest mountain. It's a place of chilling secrets, unexplained phenomena, and hidden history buried in snow and ice. Welcome to Granny Bits. Today we unravel the greatest mysteries of Mount Everest and what might lie beyond its summit. The first one, the mystery of missing climbers. Hundreds have perished on Everest, but some of the most legendary climbers simply vanished. George Mallory and Andrew Irvine, who may have reached the summit in 1924, over 29 years before Sir Edmund Hillary, was never seen alive again. Did they beat history to the clock? The second one, the death zone. Why the peak is so deadly? Above 8,000 meters lies the death zone, where oxygen levels drop so low the human body slowly shuts down. Hallucinations, disorientation, and even death can happen in minutes. Yet, many climbers still attempt to push beyond it. Why? The third one, Rainbow Valley, the most colorful and tragic place. Near the summit lies a hauntingly beautiful area known as Rainbow Valley. But it's not what you think. It's littered with the brightly colored jackets of the deceased climbers, a grim reminder of Everest's unforgiving nature. The fourth one, what happens to bodies left on Everest? Recovering bodies from Everest is nearly impossible. They are often used as landmarks. Green Woods, believed to be Crescent Paljor, has become an airy point of reference for decades. Is there no better way to honor those who have died? The fifth one, lost artifacts and ancient clues. Everest glaciers may hide ancient secrets. Some speculate that hidden caves hold religious relics, fossilized remains, or even unrecorded history from early Himalayan civilizations. Could Everest be guarding something older than we think? The sixth one, climate change and emerging secrets. As glaciers melt, the mountain is giving up its secrets from long lost climbers to mysterious objects frozen for decades. What else could be hidden beneath layers of ice, waiting to be revealed? The seventh one, Yeti sightings and wicked lizards. Locals speak of the Yeti, a massive ape-like creature said to roam the Himalayas. Explorers have reported strange footprints, unearthly howls, and unidentified tracks at high altitudes. Is it myth or mystery? The eighth one, a portal to the divine. Everest in spiritual lore. To Tibetan Buddhists, Everest is sacred, known as Chomolungma, the goddess mother of the world. Some believe the summit is the gateway to higher consciousness or a spiritual relay. Could there be truth hidden in mind? The ninth one, what lies beyond the summit? Standing on top of Everest, you are above the clouds, the closest point on earth to the stars. But what if we look further? Could Everest be more than a mountain, a clue to Earth's deepest mysteries, or even cosmic alignments? Mount Everest is more than a challenge. It's a puzzle of nature, spirit, and time. What do you believe lies beyond the summit? Leave a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brainy Bits for more amazing mysteries from our world.